Alright, we're out here Raglan Wharf. Been here about 2 hours, caught nothing, got a few guides, but still waiting on the one. So what do you think about your big catch out here today?
Oh, that's pretty good, eh?
Just another day.
As I lean down.
Undersized or?
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Dad caught a nice little shark that we're going to cook up and some little mullet. It's going to be real tasty.
Oh, we're gonna wait for him? It's kind of dog. Yeah.
Stiff back. That's right, it is.
Never followed the frickin' shark before.
Here?
Shit, she's thick.
Sammy? That's some fresh ass meat. Yeah, nice. Okay, so Angus has just finished filleting this shark that my papa caught down at the wharf today. We didn't have much luck really, it was kind of rough out there, not too many bites. We played the waiting game a lot of the time. We're just going to cut the shark up into little cubes and then we're going to chuck it through some egg, flour and then crumbs. Yeah, Angus just finished filleting it and yeah, Granddad's gone to get chips and tongs so we can mix it all through. But yeah, it should be good.
Alright. Here we've just got the pieces of meat, the fish that we've caught to the shark. So I'm just going to dunk it in these.
you want to spin it through the flour first? Flour. Oh no, go egg, yeah.
Yeah, egg flour.
Just chuck heaps of it. Yeah, not all of it, just that. Just like so.
And now chuck it.
Now that's ready to go in the frying pan. And we'll just repeat the same thing with the rest.
The fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me.
Look at that.
Pipe socks, all there. Oh, now we're talking. Get a bit of sizzle in there. Yeah, what a snack.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So, we try some of this dog shark that this fella here caught. Get that up here. So nice. So buttery. Lads are out here trying it. I'm gonna cook up the rest of this, eat these chippies, and then we're going home. Ew!
Activate the